Types of pure substances. Pure substances are of two types. They are elements and compounds. Element is a basic form of matter which cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions. They are metals, nonmetals, and metalloids. Metals have luster, sonorous, malleable, ductile, good conductors of heat and electricity. Example: iron, aluminium, zinc, mercury, copper, silver, gold, etc. Non-metals do not have luster, malleability, ductile, sonorous, poor conductors of heat and electricity. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, iodine, carbon, sulfur, etc. Metalloids. Metalloids are elements which show some properties of metal and some properties of non-metals, like boron, silicon, germanium, etc. Compound is a substance composed of two or more elements chemically combined together in a fixed ratio. For example, water, carbon dioxide, sugar, salt, iron sulfide, etc.